So one particular Thursday evening, I was so craving for something different. I was just wondering, what exactly do I want to eat? Then I now thought, it's been long I ate Abacha. Oh. I was now wondering, where will I get Abacha in this Lagos self? A very good one. Then I said, well, what's the, let me prepare one. So, welcome back. Today we are preparing Abacha. I didn't have all the ingredients for this. This is the ngo. Ngo is a potash, big palm kernel ash or something. Then here is the Abacha. I'm not using jibo. I know there is jibo. So these other things, the fish, the salt, the pepper, palm oil. So let's go. The first thing I did was to get the water I would use for the Abacha. That's to soak it. So I'm going to soak this in hot water just for give or take 2 minutes because I don't want it to be too soft. I feel like it's a little bit chewy, not strong, just chewy. So this is it after 2 minutes. Yeah. So let me set that aside and get the sauce ready. So I'm using this pot, not my pot. I add the palm oil, just a little bit. I didn't really, well, this is, let's say, 3/4 of a cup because I kind of eyeballed it, checking the size of the Abacha that I had. Then to that I'll add my ngo. Yeah, ngo is palm ash, like from the palm tree, the ash from the palm tree. Some people use potash, but well, health-wise they say it's not okay. So I'm going to turn this. This is going to form an emulsion. Yeah, if you can remember, oil plus emulsifier is an emulsion. At least my school fees did not go to waste. So I'll turn it till it turns a bright orange, or till I'm sure the whole palm oil has somehow mixed up together. So as you can see, it has this bright orange color. So I'll start adding every other ingredient like the onions, the salt, the pepper. The dry fish, I actually soaked it in water to loosen it up a bit because I have most of my dry fish in the oven. It's my own way of, making it last longer. So, this thing called Abacha. I'm not from Udio. I'm just prepared. Like, there are other things that people add, like diogiri, ehuru seed. I didn't have that, and I didn't know where to get that around my area. There was this time I went for a friend's wedding at Udi, and I ate the Abacha, and I was like, God, this is heaven. Like, I'm not trying to, say some particular places Abacha is better or something, but God, you need to taste Udi woman's Abacha. You will transcend to another level. Yeah, this is the fish, the dried fish. Well, not so dry because I had to soak it in water. It was very, very dry. So I had to soak it in water and, add it there. I am going to heat this up, for health reasons though, so as to kill off anything. Some people don't heat it up. It doesn't really matter, whichever one you want to do. So here it is after heating it up. To this, I will slowly add my Abacha. You can pour it all at once, but I prefer, spreading it, making it look as if, you're pouring snowflakes into something. So I'll add it and then turn it. So if you're enjoying this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It will really go a long way to help me out. So the abacha now is all mixed up. Every extra mixing is, serene. Looking at this thing now, I'm salivating again. So after mixing, you still have to taste it to be sure that you have everything in proportion. Salt, pepper, stuff like that. You can still add it. I had to add a little bit of salt to the abacha, to still give it that kick. So the abacha is ready. I actually made this after work. I was so craving it, and I didn't want to end up eating abacha in the dream, so I just had to make this abacha. Just look at it with the fish and everything. Kai, I couldn't wait to dig in. Nothing could stop me from eating it immediately. I was just let me finish this thing now and just eat it. And it was so tasty. Just imagine if I added ugiri and ehuru to this thing. That means I would have fainted on set self. So that's all for today. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.